What does farmer's market look like now? Know how you can efficiently shop there. Keep on watching!
Welcome to MBHack's channel. Not only do we organize your space, but also help you organize your life.
Hey loves! My name is M, and if you are new here, welcome! I do organizing, life hacks, and life coaching contents. If you enjoy these types of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram for tips and updates. In today's video, I will be giving you 7 tips on how you can make your market day more efficient and productive. Let's start! Number 1. Pick a time on when there are less people. Avoid going to the market during paydays or during the weekends because there are more shoppers. Plus, if you have a car, you'll have a hard time finding a good parking space. Number 2. The line gets a little bit tricky. Sometimes people will get your line slot, and my advice, just let it go. Huwag patulan because we all just want to get in and start shopping. But good thing they have a big fan in the waiting area so it's not too hot while waiting in the line. Number 3. Make sure that you have the list of your items and grocery that you need to buy. The last thing that you want is buying excessive stuff or food that you don't really need, or it just doesn't fit your pantry or fridge. Of course, I use my grocery list as you can see, and I will be giving away 2 sets of this grocery essential. This grocery essential set include magnet where you can stick to your fridge, plus magnetic pen and marker too. This pen has a lot of features. It can be a phone stand, and it also has a stylus for your phone or tablet. The whiteboard marker can be used when decanting or when you have to transfer something to a different container, like cereal, flour, sugar, and all that. Then you can use this to write the expiration date. This ensures that your food will not get wasted, or you will not accidentally eat something that is already expired. We don't like that. Make sure to watch until the end of this video for the giveaway mechanics. But if you want to get your hands on this very convenient grocery essential set, just DM me on my Instagram. Number 4. Bring your own eco bag. Avoid plastic bags so it's eco-friendly and it's easier to carry. Number 5. Proper outfit. Of course, you need to wear your mask and face shield, or also wear gloves for extra protection. Make sure to wear comfortable clothes and shoes or slippers. Floors in the markets get quite dirty and filthy, so make sure that your footwear is something that's okay to get dirty. For gals, wear a sling bag or belt bag with only essentials like your wallet, a small one preferably, or just bring your money. Never use fancy bags to avoid theft or snatching. Number 6. Depending on how much food, meat, or vegetables that you will buy, it's best to get it from one stall. For example, one stall for meats, one stall for vegetables, etc. That way, you can easily haggle, and they will give you better discounts. Then, they will eventually call you Suki! number 7. For those plantitos and plantitas in the house, farmers market also have areas for plants. Yes, they are definitely more affordable, like pots, soil, and all that. So before heading home, you can drop by the plant section. Now it's time for the giveaway mechanics. There will be 2 winners who will receive 1 grocery essential set, which includes the grocery list, magnetic pen, and magnetic marker. Since this grocery essential has a magnet and sticks to the fridge, whenever I check the fridge or the pantry and I need to buy something, all I have to do is to get the pen and write it down. Then once I'm heading out to the grocery, all I need to do is to peel it off, and I'm sure that I will not forget anything. Now back to the mechanics. All you need to do is number 1, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Number 2 is to like this video. Number 3 is follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page. And number 4, comment here, how often do you go to the grocery? Then make sure to include your Instagram username so I can DM you there in case you are the one who's chosen. That's it! I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep in mind that there is always something to be grateful for. Thank you for watching. Bye!
Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something new today.